Hey, this is Dave from Engearment.com. We have some brand new Jones Premium splitboard skins right here. Brand new in the fact that they haven't even had their tail clips attached yet. So we're going to walk you through the process of getting those tail clips attached, riveted in, take care of everything you need to do to skin your way up the hill. We're starting here with a paper template. This one you can see it says right on it, but we're going to use it for both sides. It's got 4 marks on there. Each one of those marks is going to be one of your rivets. Now, in order to be able to use this on both sides, we have to be able to flip it over. So I'm going to punch the holes first so we can see it on both sides. I'm just using a regular nail here. Okay, so you can see what we've done here. We have the template stuck on the sticky side of the skin. We have our tail clip strap here, also stuck on the sticky side with the hooks facing up the same way the sticky side is going. And you can see over here that is going to give us the same setup that we need to make sure the skin attaches properly. As we do this, we're going to punch holes through both the strap and the skin fabric at the same time. So we've made our 4 holes through both the skin fabric and the strap. Unfortunately, the nail I had wasn't big enough and the rivets aren't going to go through by themselves, so we're taking a little awl here and we're widening those holes out a little bit. We'll see if that's good enough. Did he go all the way? I am so cutting that pun out of the video. There we go. Popped right through. Now we have our male side of the rivet through both the strap and the skin fabric. We're going to do that for the other 3. Alright, so now I have 4 rivets inserted through the strap and also through the fabric on the other side. Next step is to get the other half of the rivet on there and make sure that it is properly seated. So we need a pretty rock solid object to pound these rivets down properly, and what we're using is the high lift jack on the Honey Badger here, the Engearment Honey Badger. The rivet goes right on the top there, and then we simply pound it down until it's nice and flat. That's it. We're going to do 3 more of those, and then we'll have our tail clip installed on our Jones skins. Alright, there we go. Rock solid tail strap attachment on the Jones Premium splitboard skins.